Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my winter favorites. I have some makeup, some hair care, some life accessories. Let's go ahead and get started because I have a lot of stuff. The first thing I have here is the Soft Focus Glow Drops from Rhodial. Rhodial? I'm gonna say Rhodial. It does have like a dropper here and I'm almost done. I'm trying to use this up this year. I wanted to use it up last year and I didn't. I will literally just put a dollop there and mix it right in with my foundation and then put it on my face. It is so nice. It goes on kind of like a silicone without being a silicone, kind of like a serum without feeling like a silicone. And my lighting just changed. Okay, so it is just gorgeous. It just gives like a luminous glow to the face, which I really appreciate. I'm not getting any younger. And I don't know when this video is going out. It'll either be out right before my birthday or right after my birthday. Either way, I am turning 39 or I just turned 39. And I am looking for all the luminosity that I can get. It just gives like this beautiful radiance from within. The next thing is Raw Beauty Kristi Earthen. Okay, I do have another gloss, but I left it upstairs. This is my favorite gloss. She did collabs with Pure and with ColourPop. This is in Wildflower, and this is a beautiful gloss. It is a little sticky, but it's so creamy. I just absolutely love it, and it's so beautiful. This packaging, I can't even. There's like little mushrooms and leaves and stuff. So pretty. With that collection, it was at Forest Sight, and this was her collab with ColourPop. And this is the palette. Just stunning. So freaking stunning. I did do a look, and I will try to remember to link that down below, or put it in the cards up here, but just beautiful. Look at these colors. Like, can I breathe? I can't because it's so amazing. My husband's outside doing manly work and I was just watching him. She also did a collab with Pure, and it's a two-sided palette, and there is a bright, colorful, beautiful side and then a more neutral, beautiful side. I love this. I am just obsessed with Kristi. I'm so happy for her. I love her. And she has no idea who I am, but I'm obsessed with her. And she can do no wrong in my eyes. Now, the next thing is, so I sound a little random. It's like this foot scrubber thing. This is from Duvolle. I actually had like, I think a hair straightener from them and a facial silicone scrubber kind of thing. This is called the Radiance Skincare System, and it comes with one of these little brushes per usual, but it does have this what's this called, guys? What's this called? Pumice, a pumice stone. So it comes with this, and when you turn it on, it just spins, and it says it's for like the feet, the knees, the elbows. I really would never put anything like that on my elbows. That's like automated. But I do use this on my heels and it works so good. It also comes with two smaller brushes. There's a facial exfoliation brush and then the facial cleansing brush. And then this is I'm just looking at the back of the box, the large body cleansing brush. And I really do like this. I'll put like my body wash, or I'll like put a bar of soap, like rub it on, and it will just spin. And I especially like it over my my like thighs and my belly, like areas that maybe I'm convincing myself that it will help with cellulite or stretch marks, or, you know, the less than perfect things that a mommy would want. I actually love this product. It was sent to me for review. I've had it for a few months now, several months. But I will link it down below. I think I might have a coupon code for this. So if I do, I will put it across the screen and down below. Okay, let's do some hair stuff. I have been seeing this kind of thing around, and I'm like, what is it really? Like, does it really help with your scalp? I decided to finally get it when a few curly girl people on YouTube recommended it. Guys, if for no other reason, this feels like the best scalp massage ever. I got this little silicone scrubber off Amazon. I think it was like $6 or $7 tops. and it just fits right into your hand. It's very ergonomically shaped, and these little silicone things move. They're very flexible. It feels so good, and I feel like I don't feel like it definitely just works in the shampoo, conditioner, into your scalp. It kind of tingles and gets everything moving and rejuvenated, gets the blood flowing. It feels so good. You done? Okay, my dog was scratching his ear and he's wearing his leash. So this is something I highly recommend. Whether you have straight or curly hair, it doesn't really matter, but I think it definitely, if you have really thick hair or curly hair, it definitely helps, but it just feels so good. I love anything. If someone's playing with my hair or scratching, I'm just like, go for it. It feels great. Now, the next thing, you know, I was gonna give something else, but let me talk about this. Get ready for it. How do I look, guys? You love it? You love it? So this is one of my many hair bonnets. Again, I've been watching, I think it's like Mains by Mel or something like that. She has gorgeous curly hair, but I've really been watching a lot of people and trying to figure out how to just be better to my hair. And one thing is obviously washing it less. Now, especially when you have curly hair, that second day curly hair is not cute. But literally, I can wear this every single night, and the third day, my curls look great, like maybe a little flattened, but they're healthy. They still have their shape. My hair's not really frizzy. The satin just really protects it from rubbing against the curls, my head, my pillow, my arm, anything. So it's just so nice. This is like a nice little leopard print. It has this elastic thing, and it's just like a belt, like an elastic here. You can tighten it and loosen it, and then I just tuck it in. And I love it. It's just, my hair is kind of here. And when I lay down, I just kind of push my hair to the top of my head and I lay on my back. I love it. The next thing are these beautiful chiffon scrunchy ribbon bow things. It actually is a pack of 8. My black one must be upstairs, probably blended in with everything else. But let me just grab the pink so you guys can see. It is a nice scrunchie with this beautiful, really thin material. It all has like this silver threading. They're very light, soft colors. And then this gorgeous little gold embellishment here. And then on each side are just 2 little floppy doos. I don't know what these are called, tails. So it is so cute. Like if I were to put my hair up, I can have it hanging on the bottom. Usually what I'll do when I have like 3rd, 4th day hair is I will put my hair back and I will just kind of pull that up into like a messy bun, put this on, and I have these kind of hanging up here, and I think it's so cute. The last hair product I believe that I have here is this water bottle, also purchased on Amazon. Shocker. The gloriousness of this is gonna be kind of annoying, is how it sprays. Instead of just like a spray, you press this down and it keeps spraying. So like that is a spray, and it's such a fine mist. It is beautiful. I love this damn thing. I really do. I use it every single day, and I'm sure you can even put like a glass cleaner or something in here and spray it. It would actually be really nice to clean, but I use it for hair, but you just turn it once and it comes right out like that. So I definitely recommend this if you're in the market for a spray bottle. Maybe, maybe not. At night, one thing I said I was gonna stop doing is being on my phone right before bed, at least a half an hour before bed. No YouTube, no games, no Instagram, nothing. So I actually bought a book light so that I could read before bed in the dark, not have the light on and disturb my husband, or really, you know, just to be easier on my eyes. And I like this one because, here, the button's up top. There's all these like different modes, and it clips right in, and you actually can take this out. And this is how you charge it. So you stick this into like any USB thing. You could stick this into your computer, your laptop, the white Apple charging block, and then you just slide it right back in here. It has made it so easy for me just to like pick up a book and read at night. So it is something that I'm happy I got. And it wasn't expensive at all. I think it was like 12 bucks. Another thing I have been loving is this eye massager. My husband actually got me one, himself one. It kind of looks like a bra up here. Look, I'm gonna go skiing. and his parents one, and he got this really pretty color. I like it. It folds, and that's how it charges. It just has like a little port here, so it doesn't take up a lot of space when it's charging. It does have an adjustable band. I think I just turned it on. And it is completely soft and cushioned. What is nice is that when you turn it on, it does have Bluetooth also. So you can like hear music or your phone if you're listening to a podcast or something. It usually, I think, lasts about 15 minutes. That's the rotation, the cycle. But it vibrates, not crazy, but it like vibrates enough to kind of stimulate this whole area. And there's heat, and you can change the settings, like choose whichever cycle you want, like if you don't want any heat, or if it's too much for you, if you don't want the vibration, or if you want everything. I always want it all. I think it was like $80 or so. You know, these things are always pricey. I'm sure you can find something like this even cheaper, but I will link where my husband got it down below. I really like it, and it's just kind of nice, especially with kids, that like I put this on and I can't do anything else. I can't be on my phone. I'm not multitasking. It's like you're forced to just sit there and relax, which never happens. Okay, the last two things are Apple related. My husband for Christmas, one of my little Christmas presents, I think this was in my stocking maybe, he got me this really pretty band. I'm pretty sure he just got it off Amazon because there were some that I really liked, and this was a different one, and I'm so glad he got it. It's really pretty. It's just white. It's like a nice, I don't know, acrylic or something kind of material. And this is the brand V-Moro, M-O-R-O. Again, it's probably just like a random brand, but it's so pretty. I like that it does have like the little rose gold clips in here, and it slides in like any other Apple Watch. I have the Series 4, and I think it's 44 millimeter, the bigger one. And I just really like it. I think it's so pretty. It goes with everything, and it just kind of like classes it up a bit. So I got that. And my last winter favorite, my last quarantine favorite is, I keep looking this way because my TV where I use it is here, is Apple Fitness Plus. So if you have an Apple Watch, you can use Apple Fitness Plus on your Apple TV, on your computer, laptop, phone, anything. It's in the app. And it connects directly to your watch, and there are all different types of workouts, different trainers. Kinds of things, comment that down below as well so I can know. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay beautiful and stay blessed. Bye.